What you got there over there, Yukari?
Elsa and Anna.
Hmm. What are they gonna do?
They're gonna their sister.
Hmm. You play na. Do imagining. Why they hitting their head? Yeah. Why they hitting their head?
They're kissing.
Yeah. Girl and girl cannot kiss. Only girl and boy can kiss.
The second move and the second move and the second move.
Hmm. Uy!
Like
Keiichi!
the real people.
Like that. Yeah. Ate bastos ka. Keiichi! Keiichi! Buli 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 buli.
Hi, I'm Anna. And hi, I'm Elsa.
What they gonna do?
Let's play.
Like in a Hobby Kids toy. You play. Sige na. Then Papa put this in YouTube. Then you can watch.
You said it.
Mm.